Hello YouTube, Dr. Solar coming to you from inside my warehouse. It's empty except for the solar panels here. One inverter, a second inverter, rails to install solar panels. So here we are, a new mystery box, and it comes from China, and the buyer is Christopher, destination Nigeria. So this is a box. Can you guess what's inside this box? Let me go back so you could take a better look. So you need a forklift to pick it up. So what do you think it is? So we're unboxing a new mystery item, and I've been waiting for this since January. So wait till I show you what's in there. So we have opened the box. There's a cover, and this is what's inside. Can you still guess what it is? It is IP65, by the way, whatever this is. So have you guessed what it is yet? Have you figured out what it is yet? Any guesses? Okay, we'll keep this up. Here's the user's manual, and it's a battery, the Dyness POWERBOX. I think this is 4.8 kilowatt hours, so it's two individual batteries inside, but we can go all the way to, I believe, 9.6 kilowatt hours. So let's take a look, and then we'll start removing it gently. Hey YouTube, so here we are. This is how big this battery is relative to that one. This is 4.4 kilowatt hours. This is 4.8, and this is 4.4. However, in this, I can put two more batteries to give me a total of 9.6, while the weaker will always be 4.4. So at the end of the day, it's a tough call. So take a look, the Dyness. The voltage range is much lower on this. It's 40 to 52, whereas this one is 47 or 48 to 57. So this is wired much higher. This is wired much higher in series, and this is wired much lower, but I guess they put much more individual cells in it to get the capacity they have. So if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, post them in the comment section below. If you had to subscribe, please click the subscribe.